Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE V Max, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message on this device. You need to begin by opening Messages app. Following that, click on one of your chats and tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now select Files section. Click on one of your files over here, select one of your apps, or just tap on those two filters, audio and videos at the top. You can also select those three lines at the top left corner and pick one of your sources. I will go with this audio file, so I need to hold it. Choose Select at the top right corner. And as you can see, after that, my file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!